Hi guys, postman's bin. It might be a bit noisy in here because I've got the fan on because it's crazy hot in the conservatory. It will be around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 Celsius. Anyway, Postbag. I thought I'd show this because there's a bit of amusing stuff down there to talk about. Right, all this is an audio lead for my headphones. They're actually wireless headphones, but if the battery runs down while I'm working, you can plug in audio leads and run it without the battery. So I bought these. It's sort of a standby thing. If you're in the middle of editing and you've actually run the batteries right down, you don't really want to have to sit there and wait for the batteries to charge up again before you can carry on. So I can just plug this straight in. Okay, amusing thing that I promised. These are my headphones. Well, two of them. You will notice they have socks on them. I can't remember how old these are, and I'm not 100% sure where I bought them. Probably Poundland, but they wouldn't have been a pound. They're wireless, hence needing this for when the batteries run out. But they've got this black stuff on them that made them sort of soft and feel like leather, but it's all peeling off. I mean, these are years old. But as you can see, it's all coming off and it makes a real mess everywhere. Now, initially, it was just on the speakers, and I was able to peel that layer off, and what's underneath is okay. And the socks, literally socks, just stop this sticking to my ears. Oh, they are falling apart. They're ones that's supposed to clip over, and yeah, but they are getting old. But there's nothing wrong with the electronics. They actually work absolutely fine. Oh, this bit hasn't gone like that, but this pair, as you can see, it's terrible. So I just thought I'd demonstrate that so people can see it. What you end up with is little black spots in your ears, which is where we have the socks on. Stop those bits going in your ears. I wonder if I could rub that all off and it'll be all right. What I was thinking of doing was putting long socks all the way over. Yeah, these weren't the absolute cheapest, but they weren't expensive. I have no idea how much I paid for them. See, that side seems all right. Oh, if I rub it hard enough, it does start to come off. Yeah, shame. As I say, they are absolutely fine apart from that. And you just end up with little black bits stuck to your ears, in your ears, on the table. At first glance, it looks like you might have flies landing on the table. That actually seems to be working. If I do that all the way around, that might get rid of the offending bits. On this one, I actually had to take the little pad off because, as you can see, it's all going wrong in there. I might as well pull this one off as well. On the other one, the foam pad was detachable, so you were able to leave the foam pad in place and get rid of the cover. It just needed the sock to hold it all together. Yeah. Oh well, I just thought I'd show that while I showed you the Postbag. That was only a couple of quid, I think. On closer inspection, these silver ones are branded Silvercrest. That looks like 2001 there. These sort of bronze coloured ones, I can't see. Oh, hang on, what's this? OWIM, Germany. I mean, they are so close to being identical. Yeah, I can't believe they might just be different years of manufacture. Yeah, I think they're both Silvercrest. That one I've repaired with cotton and super glue. They have lasted me well. Yeah, that's the audio in for when the battery runs down. Recharge, micro USB, no problem at all. They last me for about 24 hours or so, maybe a bit more. I usually put them on charge every time I go to bed. And finally, I've rubbed all the way around here, and it looks like I've got that layer of black stuff that was falling apart. Looks like I've got rid of it. That's a bonus. Down in there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.